Hey guys, how's it going? Shane with Eastman Insurance Solutions, and today we are tackling the question, what is an insurance premium audit? This is a huge bone of contention in the commercial insurance space. It is widely misunderstood, and for common reasons is that it's just not explained very well. When an individual is purchasing an insurance policy for their business, there's not a whole lot of communication as far as what maybe the driving factors of the insurance premium are, how those checks and balances are put into place, and what your role is as the insured in producing this documentation. The two most common coverages that you're going to see a premium audit are general liability, excess liability, as well as workers' compensation. Essentially, what happens is when you sign a new insurance policy with a company, you are forecasting or you are estimating what gross receipts are going to be or what your payroll numbers are going to be. And an insurance premium audit is the insurance company at the end of that term saying, okay, Mr. Client, this is what you estimated, or this is what you told us your gross receipts or payroll were going to be. What were they actually? And this is done a few different ways. It could be an online premium audit. It could be a phone premium audit. It could be physical or on-site. Or it could be done remotely at another, hey, we're going to meet at your CPA's office. The documentation needed, and this is where the ball really gets dropped with these premium audits, is not having the proper documentation at time of audit. And so what that looks like is payroll journals or registers. So a list of your payroll that is paid out through a QuickBooks, or could be an old school Excel spreadsheet, just something where you have documented payroll figures broken down. And then you need substantiating evidence, meaning the premium auditor is not just going to take a single shred of evidence and take that as gospel. There needs to be conclusive evidence to show what you are paying out or how they are measuring their risk. They need to see several pieces of documentation to substantiate that. Otherwise, it's really nothing more than your word. And so your 941s or 943, your employer's quarterly tax returns, your unemployment insurance or your employer taxes, 1099s, W-2s, overtime wages or that are summarized by classification, the class codes that you have on your insurance policy. And also very crucial, especially in the contractor world, this is where a lot of contractors get tripped up, is subcontractor costs and records. A lot of people don't understand, and I'm trying not to get too far in the weeds here, a lot of people don't understand that when you bring on a subcontractor, your workers' compensation insurance policy is having to cover their workers. So somebody comes on a job site on your behalf, if they don't have work comp, the buck is going to stop with you. And so again, the insurance company needs to determine how much risk they had, and as such, they're going to require documentation to show such. It is also very crucial that if you are working with subcontractors, that A, you get a copy of their insurance policy, B, you are listed as an additional insured, and C, every dollar that you pay out to them is itemized. This is what if it's piecework and you're paying them a flat fee, then you're paying them a flat fee. If it is, hey, we're covering time and materials, then this is how much was paid out for labor, this is how much was paid out for materials. You need to get almost anal retentive in your bookkeeping, because what you don't want to happen, this is a contractor, this is a business owner's worst nightmare, is for premium audit to happen and you not to have enough documentation to truly show what the risk was, and the insurance company or the auditor charging 100% of your gross receipts as payroll. I've seen it happen. I've seen audit bills in the 6 figures because records were not properly kept. And so, listen, this all sounds very difficult and it all sounds confusing. Your insurance agent is your ace in the hole. The better communication that you have with your insurance agent, the more proactive your insurance agent is in this process, the easier life is going to become. So find an agent that is Johnny on the spot, that understands your business, understands your entity, understands where your risk is, and do a phenomenal job of record keeping, and this will be as smooth as butter. I hope this answers all of the questions. As always, if there are more questions, something that we didn't address, particular questions that you have, don't hesitate to reach out to us, client or not. We're here to be a resource for you. Insurance is what we do. Managing risk is what we do. Assisting people in keeping everybody out of their pockets, that's what we do. Give us a call. We're here to help. We're here to be of value to you. Hope this helps, and we will see you on the next video.